name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor, just getting comfortable in my chair. I worked at IRS for 10 long years, really long, long years. I've been in private practice for 41 years. I'm an expert in IRS resolution matters. I always have to do this as an introduction so you know who I am. I'm not just some klutz coming on YouTube. I am a national expert. I've been on most major TV stations wanting my opinion on the stuff that's going on with IRS. Thank you for being here. There's a lot of stuff on the internet about different programs available and this and that. The most popular is the Fresh Start program, which is a bunch of crap. The Fresh Start Initiative, that came out 13 years ago. It was useless then, it's useless now. Anyway, I just want to tell you there are only 3 programs that are available to go ahead and to kind of settle your debt with IRS. So if you've got an open deficiency with IRS and you owe taxes right now, you are open case in their inventory. Well, IRS has to close that case. That's what we had to do and when I was there, and that's what they have to do now. It's open. That means it has to have a closing code on it for IRS to kind of pass this by for a season. So what are your options to go ahead and to get this off the IRS enforcement computer? Well, number one, of course, is full pay, where that's the obvious, where you write a check and you take care of it all. The second is that you give a financial statement to IRS and they put you into a currently non-collectible program. Currently is a key. Why? Because it only lasts for maybe a couple years. IRS kicks those cases back out because they put them in currently non-collectible based on your current financial statement. So just know that. The third is the payment agreement. Different type of payment agreements. That means your financial statement that you gave IRS reflected that you had the ability to go ahead and pay the tax. So if you do, IRS is going to put you in some sort of payment agreement based on your ability. The fourth way and the last way is to file an offer and compromise. Offer and compromise where you can settle your debt for pennies on a dollar. But don't go running that way. Oh my God, I can settle my debt. I used to teach the offer program at IRS. I was an expert and I am an expert in the offer program. Not so fast. You have to make sure that you're qualified. The worst thing that you can do as a taxpayer, the worst thing that you can do as a taxpayer is to file an offer and compromise and not know whether you're eligible, because now you've extended the statute and you've given IRS a paper trail into your case. You've got to make sure you qualify. You got to have an expert like me or someone else look at your financial statement to make sure you can go the offer route. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your 20%. It's not worth it. At the end of the day, I'm always available for a phone call or a text message. Anyway, now you know the truth. There are only 4 programs. So, by the way, you can file a bankruptcy in Chapter 7 or 13. You can look into that. But the 4 main programs are actually paying it in full, currently non-collectible payment agreement, or an offer and compromise. If you need me, I'm here. When you call, you speak to me. Give me a subscription. I always tell you the truth because I know IRS inside and out. Thank you.